Discover the incredible journey of grapes, from the vineyard to the factory, where they're carefully transformed into the delicious products we all enjoy. Join us as we explore each step in this fascinating process, from selecting the perfect varieties to delivering the freshest grapes to your table. The journey begins with selecting the ideal grape varieties. Farmers and agricultural experts choose specific types based on their flavor, texture, and suitability for processing. Some varieties are chosen for their sweetness, while others are selected for their ability to withstand transportation and storage. This selection process is about more than just taste. It considers factors like the grape's skin thickness, resistance to disease, and how well it grows in different climates. By carefully choosing the right varieties, growers ensure that only the best grapes make it to the factory, ready to be transformed into a wide range of products, from fresh table grapes to raisins and juices. Once the varieties are selected, the next step is planting and managing the vineyards. The vineyards are strategically planted to maximize sun exposure and air circulation, both of which are important for healthy grape growth. The soil is prepared with nutrients to support the vines, and drip irrigation systems are often used to provide a consistent water supply without oversaturating the soil. Throughout the growing season, the vines are pruned and trained to grow in a way that promotes even fruit development and easy harvesting. Vineyard management also includes monitoring for pests and diseases, ensuring the vines remain healthy throughout the growing season. Pollination is a key part of grape production. While many grape varieties are self-pollinating, bees and other insects still play a role in helping to distribute pollen and enhance fruit development. After pollination, the grapes begin to develop and grow, gradually filling out into the plump, juicy clusters that are later harvested. During this time, the vines are carefully monitored to ensure the fruit is developing evenly. The grapes are regularly checked for signs of disease or pests, and any issues are addressed quickly to protect the developing fruit. As the grapes grow, they begin to change color and sweeten, signaling that harvest time is approaching. Harvesting grapes is a precisely timed process focused on picking the fruit at its peak ripeness. The ideal moment for harvest is determined by monitoring factors such as sugar content, acidity, and the specific grape variety. For premium products, grapes are often harvested by hand to ensure only the finest clusters are selected. This careful hand-picking preserves the quality of the fruit, especially for grapes intended for fresh consumption or high-end wine production. In larger-scale operations, mechanical harvesters are employed to efficiently gather the grapes. These machines gently shake the vines, causing the ripe grapes to fall into collection bins while leaving the rest of the plant intact. This method allows for a swift and effective harvest, especially when timing is crucial across large vineyards. Once harvested, the grapes are quickly transported to the factory to maintain their freshness and quality. Speed in this transition is key, as it ensures the grapes arrive in optimal condition, ready for the next stages of processing, whether they are destined to become fresh table grapes, juice, wine, or other products. This careful coordination of timing and technique is vital to delivering high-quality grape products. Upon arrival at the factory, the grapes go through a detailed sorting and grading process. The grapes are first cleaned to remove any debris or dirt picked up during harvesting. Then, they are sorted based on size, color, and quality. Grapes that meet the highest standards are set aside for fresh sale or premium products, while others are directed toward processing for juices, wines, or dried fruit. This sorting process ensures that each grape is used in the most suitable way, maximizing the value of the harvest. Automated systems and skilled workers work together to ensure consistency and quality at this stage. The processing of grapes varies significantly depending on the intended final product, with each method designed to preserve the fruit's quality and enhance its natural flavor. For fresh table grapes, the focus is on maintaining freshness. The grapes are carefully sorted, cleaned, and then packaged in specially designed containers that protect them during transportation. These containers are often equipped with features like ventilation and cushioning to prevent bruising and spoilage, ensuring that the grapes arrive at their destination as fresh as when they were picked. Grapes destined for juice or wine undergo a different process. They are first crushed and pressed to extract their liquid. The juice is then filtered to remove any solids and impurities, preparing it for fermentation in the case of wine or pasteurization for juice. This process is carefully managed to retain the grape's natural sugars and flavors, which are crucial for the quality of the final product. For dried fruit like raisins, the grapes are subjected to a drying process that removes moisture while concentrating their sugars. This method not only preserves the fruit but also enhances its sweetness and extends its shelf life. Once processing is complete, all grape products are meticulously packaged to protect them from damage and extend their shelf life. Whether the final product is fresh, liquid, or dried, the packaging process is tailored to ensure that the grapes or grape-derived products reach consumers in peak condition, ready to be enjoyed. Quality control is an ongoing process that ensures every product meets strict standards for taste, texture, and safety. From the moment the grapes arrive at the factory to the final packaging stage, each batch is carefully inspected and tested. Samples are taken regularly to check for consistency in sweetness, acidity, and overall quality. Any product that doesn't meet the required standards is set aside for reprocessing or discarded. This commitment to quality ensures that only the best products reach the consumer, providing a consistent and enjoyable experience every time. After the grapes and grape products have successfully passed all quality checks, they are prepared for shipping and distribution. The products are packed into crates or boxes designed specifically to protect them during transit. These packaging materials are selected based on the type of product, whether it's fresh grapes, juice, or dried fruit, to ensure maximum protection and maintain quality throughout the journey. For fresh grapes, the key to preserving freshness during transport is temperature control. Refrigerated trucks are used to maintain an optimal temperature, ensuring that the grapes stay fresh from the moment they leave the factory until they reach their final destination. This careful temperature regulation helps prevent spoilage and extends the shelf life of the fruit, allowing it to arrive at supermarkets, restaurants, and other retailers in the best possible condition. The logistics of distribution are meticulously planned to guarantee that the products reach their destinations quickly and efficiently. Whether the grapes are traveling across the country or just a short distance, the focus is on maintaining product quality and ensuring timely delivery. This stage of the process requires a coordinated effort to manage shipping schedules, route planning, and handling procedures, all aimed at ensuring that the grapes and grape products retain their freshness, flavor, and overall quality from the factory to the consumer. Finally, the grapes and grape products reach the consumer, ready to be enjoyed in a variety of forms. Whether it's fresh grapes in a fruit salad, a glass of grape juice, or raisins in a snack mix, the journey from vineyard to factory to table is complete. Each step of the process, from selecting the varieties to packaging the final product, is designed to ensure that consumers receive the freshest, highest quality grapes possible. The care and attention to detail throughout the entire production chain ensure that the final product is something consumers can trust and enjoy. So there you have it, the fascinating journey from vineyard to the delicious grapes and grape products we all love. Next, discover how pineapples make their way from the farm to your table in our upcoming video. Another journey full of flavor and freshness you won't want to miss.